After this recipe, you're gonna want to eat cucumber every day. To begin, let's peel 3 cucumbers. Now we'll cut them in half. Remove the seeds. And slice them. Let's move them to a bowl. We'll also cut 12 cherry tomatoes and put them in the bowl. Let's cut 1 red onion and put it in the bowl. Then we'll add chive, salt, pepper, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and let's mix all the ingredients very well. Guys, take this moment to leave me in the comments where are you watching us from. I would love to know how far our video got. If you like fresh and delicious salads, you need to make this one. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video, that really helps our work. And our recipe is ready. Leave me a grade from 1 to 10. It's very important for us to know what you think. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!